only cleared the console. Note that clearing the console does not detach or unload loaded packages. Therefore, those packages will continue to be accessible within this R session. In addition, the variables and functions in the environment are still in place. You can use the select function in the dplyr package to select columns in a data frame or a table. This statement will select the species column of the iris dataset. This statement will select the species and sepal.width columns of the iris dataset. This statement will return all the columns of the iris dataset except species and sepal.width columns. This statement will return the species column first and every other column in the dataset. This is a nice way to put a column of your choice first before other columns.